Now, in respect of hospital beds, a total of close to 938 beds are due to be delivered by the end of this year. So you've ignored completely in your presentation the fact that well over 900 beds have been budgeted for and have been provided for, and the follow-through is provided for in this year in terms of the staffing, for example. So that was the largest bed increase ever in 1 year in terms of the hospital capacity. And likewise, in terms of ICU, again, there's a very substantial 25% increase over the last 2 years in ICU beds. And it's close to 300 right now, 321 it'll get to by the end of this year, or at the latest very early next year. So these are very substantial increases in both ICU and in terms of bed capacity itself.